everyone! Good morning! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Pueblo de Oro. And Pueblo de Oro is known to have 3 gated communities. We have modern townhouses sa La Aldea, Fernandina. We have single attached and single detached 2-bedroom units sa Park Place. And we have bigger modern Mediterranean houses sa Horizon Residences. So if you are looking for a house and lot here in Pampanga na malapit sa lahat at certified flood-free, then baka ito na ang para sa'yo. So go ahead and invite your virtual kapitbahays, your friends, and your family members because today, sisilipin po natin kung ano yung mga houses na meron tayo dito. So tara, let's go! Ayan. So, itong nasa likod natin is a single attached classic model house. So, kapag sinabi natin classic, these are bare type units. Pero what I like most about this subdivision is that kahit classic yung turnover unit niya, livable na siya and maganda yung turnover unit. So, the floor area of this house is 58 square meters and minimum lot area of 70 square meters. So, and ito po yung single firewall niya sa gilid and you also have your lot, excess lot dito sa kabilang side. Yan. So, check natin kung paano yung turnover unit ng bare type or ng classic house. Yan. So, ganito yung bare type unit niya. Painted na yung walls, even the windows are glass windows. Rubber paint din yung flooring. Ayan. So, kahit classic or kahit bare type yung turnover unit nito, for me, it's already a livable unit. You also have your sink na dito, na ready na din. And your service area at the back. So, ito na lang yung kailangan mong ipa-enclosed. So, just in case you like an extension for your kitchen. So, this part is yours. Ayan. So, maluwag po siya. Ayan. So, if you want your own design sa bahay, then maybe the classic turnover unit is for you. Or if you know someone na contractor or perhaps mahilig ka mag-design, go for the bare type. So, ito naman yung turnover unit natin ng bathroom, by the way. Ayan. And here's your stairs. Steel po yung stairs natin. And cemented po yung second floor. So this unit is a 2-bedroom, provision for 2-bedroom, and 2 bathroom. So 2 toilet and bath. Ito yung second toilet nyo sa taas. So ganito yung turnover unit niya sa second floor. So nasa inyo na kung ilang bedrooms ang ilalagay niya dito, pero ideal is 2 bedrooms. Then wala pa siyang ceiling. Yan. So, kung papagawa niyo yung bahay or i-improve niyo yung bahay, look for a contractor and choose the design or interior design that you like. Yan. So, check naman natin yung second unit. Sobrang aliwanas nitong buong place. Talagang mahangin din dito. So, here naman, nandito tayo sa second unit, and we also have the same model nung nauna natin pinakita. Ang difference is, this is what we call the premium model. So kapag premium naman, floor area is 73 square meters and minimum lot area of 70 square meters. So, sa premium model, ito naman yung mga complete type finish. So, kung ayaw mo ng ma-hassle and gusto mo ng ready na lahat bago mo lipatan, then go for the premium finish. Check naman natin yung difference sa loob. Ayan. So, compared dun sa kabila, sa premium naman, tiled na yung flooring. So, sink is the same, and service area is the same. So, sa service area, again, ikaw pa rin yung magpapa-enclose nitong unit. And pakita ko lang, bali, ito yung property line nyo. So, ibig sabihin, even the space here is sa'yo. Diba, mahangin? Ayan, so even tong space na to, sa'yo to. And it's up to you kung anong gusto mong gawin sa space na to, pero provision for garage din siya. So, yeah. So, tara, check naman natin yung other features ng bahay. Yan. So, service area is the same, pero dito sa hagdan, ayan. So, if you can see, yung kanina, painted lang kasi yung hagdan, but this time dito, meron siyang slab wood tracks. And then, your first bathroom, the same sa classic type. Alright, check naman natin yung second floor. Ayan, so from there kanina, ito naman yung finishing ng second floor ng premium model. Meron ka ng 2 bedrooms. So ito yung first bedroom. Tiled na din yung bedroom natin. Yan. So gamit na lang talaga ang kulang. That's our first bedroom. And meron din tayong second bedroom. So ito si bedroom number 2. So, bedroom number 2 ito. So, tiled din. Same lang. Yung windows is the same from the first unit. Ayan. So, kung ayaw mo ng marami pang gagawin when you move in, then go for the complete finish. So, here's your second toilet and bath. Same din dun sa first one. Ayan. So, let's go naman sa third unit. So, yung unang dalawang pinakita nating unit sa inyo are single attached models. So, same lang sila na single attached, same din ng features, except that yung finishing nilang pareho. You can choose between classic finish, ito yung bare type, kung gusto mong magpagawa ng sarili mong interior, and complete finish, which is the premium type, kung gusto mong ready na lahat and lilipatan mo na lang. So, it's up to you kung anong finish yung gusto mong piliin. So, we are moving into our third unit. This time naman, meron tayong single detached model. Ayan. So, ang difference naman ni single detached from single attached is that meron kang excess lot sa magkabilang gilid. So, if you can see, you have your lot area here for your provision of garage. Ayan. And in this model, meron ka ding option na magpa-add ng balcony. So, aside from this, sa kabilang side, you also have additional lot. Ayan. So, yun yung advantage kapag single detached yung pinili mo. So, here's your excess lot sa other side. Ayan. So, you can do a lot of things with this huge lot excess. So, you also have complete privacy dahil hindi ka nakatabi sa kapitbahay mo. So, if you want a bigger lot area like this, go for single detached naman. So, si single detached, so this model is a premium model with balcony, pero you again has the option to choose between the classic finish or complete finish. Pero itong papakita namin sa inyo is the complete finish one with an option of balcony. Floor area is 88 square meters, so mas malaki yung floor area niya. And minimum lot area of 90 square meters and up. So check naman natin kung anong meron dito sa loob. Wow! So, ito naman yung sample dressed up unit na. So, para meron kayong inspiration of how it will look like kapag meron ng gamit. So, here, ayan. Let's go check the whole place. Ayan. So, ito yung premium finish ng single detached. And here's your living room. Ayan. So, dito may lalagay yung living room mo, entertainment as well. And what I like here is that dito sa other side, dito yung entertainment area and merong mirrors. Ayan. Ayan. So, naglagay sila ng mirror dito. Ayan. Nakakalawak tignan ng house. Then, here's our dining area. Yan. So, dito yung dining area mo and ganito yung ginawa nila sa sink. So, nandito yung sink. Yan. So, what do you think of this model naman? So, if you're looking for, again, bigger floor area, bigger lot area with complete privacy na hindi nakadikit sa kapitbahay, then go for the single detached. Alright, so check naman natin yung second floor nito. Oh, by the way, here's the bathroom. Nagkaroon siya ng kulay by putting those shower curtains. Ayan. So, let's go upstairs. So, here on the second floor, it's the same with the premium finish na pinakita natin sa second house kanina. But with this one, meron na kasing appliances para may inspiration kayo. And you can see what it will look like kapag may gamit na. So, here's the first bedroom. So, ito, parang inspiration for your kids or for your children. Very minimalist lang din siya. And then, here's the other bedroom, which is going to be your master's bedroom. And yan. So, very simple lang din yung sample model natin for the master's bedroom. And yung second toilet here, very accessible lang din. Ayan. And my most favorite part, my balcony. Ayan. So, nandito na tayo sa balcony. With Pueblo de Oro kasi, or with Park Place, you have the option na magpadagdag ng balcony. So, kung gusto mo ng ganito, tulad dito, where you can hang out and band with your families, then you can add a balcony. So, here's an overlooking of the whole place, of the whole area. Ayan. So, again, if you are looking for a house and lot with 2 bedrooms for your families, then go for Pueblo de Oro. Advantage kay Pueblo de Oro, sobrang ganda ng location niya. Nasa gitna siya mismo ng San Fernando City. So, around 8 minutes lang going to SM Pampanga, and at the same time, may access sa NLEX via San Fernando exit. So, very accessible siya sa lahat. Plus, this is 100% flood-free. So, certified flood-free. If you're looking for a place na hindi binabaha, then Pueblo de Oro is waiting for you. So, if you have questions, if you need additional information, feel free to send us a message at Realtor Pampanga. So, again, follow us at Realtor Pampanga. Or you can also call us at 0916-431-7096. Once again, this is Kim from Realtor Pampanga, and thank you mga virtual kapitbahay for joining me in this house tour. See you again!